Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to start talking about tokenization, okay, which is a process of splitting sentences into words. So we're going to use NLTK to accomplish this task, but eventually I'm going to talk about on how you could put your own tokenizer or other tools to do the job. So to start, we're gonna import a module that does this task. You can find under from NLTK.tokenize import word tokenize. Okay, so that's it. You just import this module, as you guys can see, and after that you will be able to tokenize sentences, which is just to be able to split sentences into words. Okay, so I'm gonna start by creating a sentence. I'm gonna call it, "This is a sentence that I will split dot and close quotes, single quotes." And I'm gonna press enter. I'm gonna call word tokenize, and we're gonna pass this sentence object. Okay, I'm gonna press enter, and as you guys can see, we have created a list with all the words separated. Okay, so you could use this to kind of make a search engine or something like that, but we will eventually talk about that later. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and see you guys next time.